Welcome to our tutorial on managing congestion zone settings in Logistify. We'll guide you through adjusting congestion zone settings, managing coverage zones, and setting up alerts. Let's get started. First, let's explore the congestion zone settings. On the dashboard, next to the notification bell, click on your profile picture to access account settings. Then, click on Congestion Zone. This will take you to the Admin Congestion Zone panel. Here, you'll see sliders for each day of the week. Click on the slider at the end of the dates to turn all the other sliders on. You can then enter specific times for each day in both columns. If you want to turn off the congestion zone for certain days, simply toggle the slider off. In the Close for a certain period section, you can enter the start and end dates to indicate when the zone will be closed. Add the reason for closing, and if necessary, click Add New to enter a new postcode. If you need to add more days of closure, click Add More. Once all details are entered, click Submit. To return to the dashboard, click Summary at the top of the page. Next, let's look at managing your coverage zones. Go back to Account Settings and click on Coverage Zone. This will take you to a table displaying the zone names, areas, and actions. Here, you can delete or edit existing zones. To add a new address, click Add New Address. Enter the coverage zone name and address. Below the map, you have options to draw a polygon or circle to define the coverage area. You can zoom in or out using the plus and minus signs. Enter a description if needed. The radius of the covered area will be shown at the bottom. When you're done, click Submit. Your new coverage zone will now appear in the table. Finally, let's set up alerts. In Account Settings, click on Alerts. This page shows all the forms of alerts and how they are sent. You can turn alerts on or off by checking or unchecking the boxes. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click Save to apply the changes. And that is how to manage your congestion zone settings, coverage zones, and alerts in Logistify. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. See you next time.